bro. C just dropped, man. You working, man. I'm telling you, this a 4L fucking year, man. This shit, man. Shooting shit back to back, man. Yeah, Polo snapped on that bitch. Shout out Polo Stoner, man. That boy be snapping with that shit. Y'all need y'all video tap in, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Everybody doing it. That's what I like to see, bro. I want to see all my niggas popping, cause like we stayed down for this shit, bro. Like we been holding back for so long, bro. Like niggas don't even know how fucking talented we is, bro. That's why I'm so strict on like this year, fool. We gotta get out there, bro. Like I'm not bullshitting. We stumping the gas this shit, man. I stumped that. I just got off the phone with my nigga EB, man. We setting this shit up, man. We're gonna meet up at Club Gems first. I'm performing at the Ring tonight. Shout out to Texas Trail, man. You feel me? Then after that, we're gonna head over to Linq. We got to do the Ratchet video shoot featuring Mo and Fine, man. You feel me? Finna pop it tonight. I ain't even never been to Linq, bro. Let's start there. You feel me? And my first night, yeah, y'all finna see how that shit finna go. You feel me? Finna pop it. This some niggas I'm tapped in with from the A. Play that shit on this motherfucker.
You know, you know, how this shit be sweet until it go sour. Red Robin Hoods in my hood, I got that blick, I robbed him. Dracos and 300 black eyes, Polo Star. I don't know that boy, how this shit come from the heart. I be on these drugs when I wake up, I land on Mars. I go tear my skin up, I'm covering all my scars. They won't smoke, we light up candles. Rather see you on a t-shirt than me, I pull up, blame on something. Smoking all that nicotine, I'm proud, I don't get cancer. Try to have time in the family, I'ma bang my gang forever. I'ma turn this shit to an up. You know, ain't shit changed, son, you gonna bang, you better get your umbrella. Snakes in the show, still gon' get nigga, we loaded. Pockets so fat like they bloated. Feel one more ready, exploding. She know I'm always on. She know I'm overly focused. I'm in the trap, I'm devoted. The man saw bitch how you voted. She voted the kids on my side, they promoted. My nigga, she fucked up, so she got demoted. Lay my guard down, I get it coded. Bitch, put my heart down, who let you hold it? Sippin' on magic, she get wet like an ocean, she go with the motion. Head like this, do I just go in? Engine forever, they know in.
I miss like a motherfucker.
Nigga, me you miss.
God damn, I thought I got it there.
Yeah. Miss like a motherfucker. Airball. Now on your Oscar Pearl looking at dogs looking at.
I ain't getting nothing but my goddamn dick.
That's your ass get.
Lucky. Keep your bitch ass up, I'ma drink your bitch ass.
I'ma drink your ass.
Got you
your ass
for your
real
ass.
good in the bag. Get you real good in
When
the
you
bag.
say wake your bitch ass up, Lucky Charm.
Pee on me.
Wake your bitch ass up, Lucky Charms.
Wake your ass up like that. Give me some tins, man. I done went to 2 motherfucking locations trying to get some tins. Yeah, man. I know they better have that shit in here. I'm gonna be pissed the fuck off. Shit. Gonna wait. Yeah, news ready, bro. Running this bitch. On 3. On 3. 4 gonna run this bitch. Fuck 3 on 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hell no.
Yeah, nah, it's going
You
down
might be
like a
good.
motherfucker.
Yeah.
Oh God, come on, girl. Oh God, come on, girl. Right now. I got my door open, girl. Damn, you got my edge up getting wet and everything, man. Come on, girl.
What? The fuck that got to do with me? I ain't got shit to do with me, nigga. It's raining, pouring down. I just told you.
God, you got my edge up getting. Come on, bro.
Man. You got a whole hood on, bitch. I got a hat on.
Alright, come on.
Hell no.
So you ain't going in.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in with you.
Come on,
Bro, I'm not trying to run in there, bro. No,
gotta run,
that's gonna
nigga.
fuck my shoes up.
Come on, cuz.
No, that's fucking my shoes up, bro.
Bitch.
How am I saying?
Come on, nigga.
Alright.
Fuck, we finna get the fuck out of this bitch.
2,
1, 2,
3.
I probably wouldn't give a fuck.
Nah, but them is like, that's corny to people. For something. For some reason. I mean, you could have got the other ones, but this just...
Made it in shit, they got my size. Yep.
This number 8.
Yeah. Check out. Yeah. I'm just doing a day in the life type. I've been making music. That 9%. You try it on still. That shit on. But I say I ain't want no Sims in I don't know how long. I'm gonna put that shit on. Damn. This how they come?
I told you 8.5. 8, bro. They come big, bro. That's what I told you. He don't want to listen to me, bro.
You said 8.5.
Yes, 8.5, 8.
They
They gonna be big as hell.
Girl, get your bitch ass.
Cause he know the motherfucker fat shit.
Damn,
Just go size down. Just size down. Size down. 8.5.
Y'all got it.
Yeah, 8.5. You got 8.5 in there?
I just want to see this. Yeah.
Oh, 8. Something like that. Them I can just slap them. Okay. Stop slapping them, bro. He finna return
What
it.
are you slapping the boots for?
Cause I'm trying to see how, cause you can
Slap them fat ass Jordans.
No, my shit in there.
What?
Straight 9.
Slap them fat ass jeans, cause fat ass goddamn jacket. You got a quilt. Nigga got a quilt.
This not a quilt.
jacket.
This motherfucker. This how
He got a quilt jacket.
No, that's how
He
much-
ain't never
this
seen
how
me
much
go
shit
quilt. He go quilt on the jacket. His granny made it before she passed.
Look at the back. Ain't that bitch on?
Next week.
Alright, turn them again.
Yeah, man, I just dropped some little shit, man. I made out my phone, man. It's called Reach Out Band Lab, man. Just basically letting niggas know, man, you can get Reach Out Band Lab if you want to. Yeah, like, you don't need nobody, man. You can do this shit yourself. This song gonna be on the deluxe version.
We know you ain't got it. Every day gotta make me a profit. In the booth and I'm geeked on my body. Freaky bitch tryna give me her body. Chasing green, I ain't worried about nobody. I got on Serena, ain't seen. I got on Serena, ain't seen. They copy and paste tryna do it like me. I'm in the booth at all time, I don't ride with a Glock. We ain't here smoking on leaf. I better push that nigga get hit in his top. I hear you speaking on trees. I'm in this beach with Sam Cartel. Fire little shit, she bad as hell. I'm in this beach with Max. Ride to this, finna go catch me a sale. Bird in the wind, nigga say gon' smoke TB. Run through the streets, can't tell. Pussy that nigga can keep on thinking it's sweet. I see you, I hit you with shell. You tell my shit, bitch, how to make friends with the devil. I really been through hell. Young nigga come from the trenches. I'ma get rich, then I'ma go move to the hills. Whoa, me for nigga that they petty. Working with the race in my pocket. Yeah, I'm throwing that shit up behind it. Strip home when the sun me slapping. Get it, it's got me head like a pallet. I want niggas who really do valid. Make niggas think twice, he trashy. They'll put me in the sky, he flying. On the regular shit. And that don't got a regular beat. My living money is safe. She see me in that shit when he, yeah. I was your bro now fix. Now it is pull up in face. Pop out in the flash feet. I just went Nike, I got me a check.
Lose, man.
Bitch, I ain't got them on me,
Got the
but I ain't-
motherfucking gang in this bitch, man. It's a 4L Mafia year, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we getting ready for the goddamn show tonight, man. We got CBandz performing. We got Lil K performing, man. We got me performing, man. Hey, man.
Where you trying to perform?
On me.
Yeah. Might as well. We got Rick performing. Max, you trying looking at it. You can get up there and dance.
We got Max performing.
Man, I could perform.
Looking at you.
I say one thing.
Now you sleep. Should have kept that song you wanted to get going. You jacked it at them
Yeah,
too
he
hard.
did,
It
though.
was going off, dude.
It was, fool. We almost had a hit, cuz that shit pissed me off to this day, cuz.
We could really redo this.
Nah, it's been like, you probably don't even sound the same no more. Nigga.
Now is y'all trying, like, is y'all
You can?
trying, yeah.
Why is he doing
I got a session, like, right now. He really waiting on me.
Yeah, he did say.
type shit?
I'm finna just get like an hour just to spare time for the show.
It don't matter. Kind of slack.
What?
He put
To the stoop right now?
Mhm.
Yeah, we can go. Yeah. I
Alright,
ain't never
so-
been to the can. You finna shake your ass.
You haven't been
for
to the can?
I ain't never been there.
Yeah, you gotta come to the
You said
can. You ain't been to the can,
shake
bruh.
You say you finna shake your ass?
That's what you
What
said.
the fuck?
Max be moving.
Max, get your freak ass up
That's
right
the
here.
move, man. The can.
Your freak ass up.
Put some green.
Nah, you shitted on me.
See how I didn't even move, bro? That's how you gotta work out, you know?
because I ain't hit you, though. I really hit you. Get this.
Alright, let me do it. Look. The school got a fro. I was frying the last time.
You said the
He
school.
tried to show that big, show the front,
You got
nigga.
a dead young nigga on his shirt.
That's hard. That ain't hard though.
No. It ain't
So it's
hard.
not-
Boot up or die.
And he said, what?
Boot up or die.
He said, boot up.
I could have.
Damn,
I was
Lil D.
gonna go V-Line, and then I should
I
have
got off-white at Costco.
That's what I should have went.
On God, boy, it ain't.
They got off-white at Costco.
For 30.
Virgil didn't die for that shit.
as fuck,
bro.
Virgil
at
didn't
Costco.
die for this
You ain't
shit
see the
at
news?
Costco.
Niggas
No,
say cheese.
What
you
the
said
fuck?
at Costco.
That shit
That
real
don't
life
make
is
no
Costco.
sense. Virgil shit is at Costco.
Shit that used to be 800.
You can buy kiwi and get you some off-white.
Bro, Costco
What
is
the
a
fuck?
grocery store. I know, nigga. They get off white. That's how you know it's old.
Half baked salmon. Look at that. Cook
You need to peep out-
cook
Did you
macaroni.
peep out Drop Revenge, cuz?
That's you on the shirt.
Cheese
ain't it?
You
pizza.
peep out Leak Revenge, though? I leaked that.
Rich got a whole cheese pizza face though.
It's on my
His face
tape.
look like a
It's
cheese
on
pizza.
my-
Freckles.
It's on
They
my
got
tape
cheese
I
pieces.
dropped, but I ain't gonna lie, my tape getting a little.
What's the numbers?
It was kind of good. Like, I just dropped. I didn't even think nobody was gonna comment or do shit.
Man, the tapes what do it though.
Yeah, I ain't think I wasn't expecting to get no reactions off that shit.
Revenge is going straight up. It's going
But
up.
you can, I ain't gonna lie, we can drop. You still drop it how you want to drop it though. You feel me? Like the more people, the more listeners.
Shoot it. I want to shoot that for sure. Because the way the reactions is, everybody got down. Everybody.
What you and BJ, Rick?
I ain't gonna lie.
Gotta copy
I ain't
that
gonna
vibe.
lie, fool. Look though. I got a
Oh,
video
DJ,
shoot. I got a video shoot already set up for next week. We can really do it next week if you really want to.
You got enough clothes?
Like dead ass, but like next Saturday, fool.
You get plenty clothes.
We can, like for real.
I've been coming up on the shoes, man.
Mm.
I got hella shit. I'm ready to bring this shit out, man. I'm so ready for this shit, man. Look, I tell you, look. I was low as
Nigga,
hell.
what is you doing? I just sit
Why
there and
why
watch
are you just falling though?
No, cause I was trying to
This
get
nigga
back on the
tripping.
wall.
He just like this.
I mean, I seen him. I'm like, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get out the wall.
Oh, he fell on the stand, dude.
Yeah, I'm saying that big ass cup, man. The fuck like y'all playing soccer and shit. Like I've been running all day and shit.
Man,
Fuck
let me,
you.
bro. I'm hydrated.
Fuck, big ass cup. That's what I see. You be jacking off, getting tired. Jacking off, fucking get tired. And shit got this big ass. Y'all see me at the big ass jug of water the other day over there. Open this shit. The fuck flies and shit been in there. He just drinking water, jacking off. Fuck wrong with him.
He said he jacking off and then
Drinking the water. He in that motherfucker. And then want to play this cheating ass man and shit. Cheating ass man.
Oh, he
Niggas
did. He
playing
said
99 like a motherfucker. He created about 8 players. Them niggas 99.
Bands will do that to you.
Cheat ass.
He'll sneak in a creative player. He don't want
Get
you to
some
play
money
him.
on some.
He don't want you to play him. This nigga Super Saiyan. This
Oh God, though, kid. And give it away, they always be named Cam.
We had Linq, man, for the first fucking time.
Tap me in everything.
dirty ass bracelet. Move.
Some of that dirty ass bracelet.
It is tainted.
But it's costume, Jerry.
Where'd you get it?
You stole it from one of your hoes.
Nigga, you stole the stones off Lil D hoodie. Put it on your wrist.
Nigga got the nigga.
Everything is
Okay. Remember when I FaceTime you?
That had to be a drunk purchase when you bought that when you were drunk.
FaceTime you last week.
That was a drunk person.
You gotta stop
No,
shopping drunk.
Like when I FaceTime you, tried to like put it in the camera to show me that
Oh, me, you was drunk when you bought this. Keep it real, Max. You was drunk when you bought that. Hey, Max. You was drunk when you bought that jacket, nigga.
with this jacket.
Where did you get it?
It came off the couch.
You really need to buy it. That's a quilt. You goddamn really put that shit together, bro.
Man, tryna be how you voted. You voted. The kids on my side be promoting. My man, she fucked up, so she got demoted. Can't let my guard down, I got it coded. Bitch, put my heart down, let you roll it. I'm sipping on magic, boy, homies and bones. She get wet like an ocean, she go with the motion. Hell, I just do, I just go in. And she from the hood, they know it. Let the club 520 like be here. Say she wanna slide with me, it depends. I want all on, bringing by 3 friends. I'm here with when I feel up and sneaking. Cause you know I get geeky, gon' need a J-pad to get high than me. Get dressed on the plane to be flying. But I ain't your man while you crying to me. Man, I ain't your man, you loading. Remember that, keep it noted. Cold heartedly, you frozen. They shoes to the gang, they open. 3 hoes in my lane like a bowling ball. You like that bitch, you might be blind. They don't look like hoes, y'all. Feel the side of the grass, got snakes in the show. She still gon' get it, cause we loaded, y'all. I get so fat like they bloated, y'all. Feel one more ready, exploding, y'all. She know I'm only loaded, y'all. She know I'm only focused, y'all. Lightning the trap, devoted, y'all. The man tryna be how you voted, you voted. The kids on my side, they promoting. My baby, she fucked up, so she got demoted. Can't let my guard down, I got it coded. Bitch, put my heart down, who let you hold it?
Niggas ain't ready. Whole team have lettuce, nigga. Spit out talent. Talk that shit, yo.
Every time the pop, every time.
Niggas better scoot over. Dirty, whip jacket and all, nigga.
That dirty ass.
Hey,
I know you ain't talking.
it's a whole lot more where this came from. We say, nigga, big boy snake gang, we the worst.
I sit right here in the deepest of ends. I see the bitch do it like the deepest of ends. I'ma get my revenge. Nigga, that's on my skin. I trip my snakes. And that's my kin. That's my twin. That's what I is. You did. I'm the fuck. I'm burning the bridge. I'ma get my revenge. I'ma get my revenge. I'm the fuck. I'm burning the bridge. I don't give a fuck if I'm on the bridge. I'm around with a Drake, these niggas be snakes, I can see on their skin. Lame man niggas, they in me, I see all that shit through the cardiac lens. Lately I'm playing my game, but up my switch, get put in the wind. They thought it was over, I did it again. Come from the trenches, took me some losses, I think it's time to win. Push that niggas be thinking shit sweet, just know I'ma get my revenge. Break that nigga like, why is you talking? You can't even show me a 10, show me a 10. Deepest of ends. I see the bitch do a line like the deepest of ends. I'ma get my revenge. Nigga, that's on my skin. Trip my snakes. That's my kin. That's my twin. That's what I is. I'm gonna flip. I'm burn the bridge. I'ma get my revenge. I'ma get my revenge. I'm gonna flip. I'm burn the bridge.
JB said, oh my God.
I ain't gonna lie, fool.
He paused.
Hey, fool. You really ready next week, though?
I mean,
Cause I gotta, I'm telling you,
I ain't gonna lie,
it's booked already.
You got the heat on.
what beat what?
You
Got the heat on?
But look though,
Burning?
J Vision, he the one gonna go.
J Vision?
Me should make pretty shit.
I ain't never seen you. Gotta put me down.
Crazy.
I know he hard.
I ain't got
though, I'm
Memphis
just
on
saying.
lock.
Hey man,
You gonna go
you know what the
crazy?
fuck going on? 4L something. I'm trying to tell you.
Looking
Niggas don't have no fucking money. It's over with. Nigga, we up we up in so much money. We ain't gonna make no buckets.
Hey, bro, we been on a crazy run, bro.
I'm trying to tell you, cuz.
This him right here, though. J Vision, man. I got a video shoot with this man next week, man. We working, bro. I'm working with every fucking body. Networking, man. That's how you gonna get out there, bro. If you wanna learn how to blow, if you wanna blow with this shit, man, all you gotta do is fucking network. back up there, bro. That's all you feeling.
I'm in the same boat with spending money on that, like, just the music shit, bro. I just want dropping a bag on that shit, bro. That shit.
It's gonna be a rap after that, though. I'm ready to take this shit on the road, man. That's what's gonna take it to the next level, man. People then get on these big platforms and shit. Instead of just keep getting on big platforms, we in the dope, bro. That's what niggas not doing for one. Niggas just rapping, but they not getting like, feel me? You gotta move around, expand, bro. Get your name out there for real. Then you might take off. Lean hard. Any nigga can do it now. Pay for that say cheese post, nigga. Pay for that goddamn, feel me, dirty glove back off the porch interview. Feel me, like that type of shit to get you out there.
I don't know how to hear, so I just told it. Nigga say he won't beef, I ain't making no pause, I'ma pull up. Heard a nigga say he won't beef, I ain't doing no talking, I'ma pull up shooting. And I can't fuck that bitch if she ain't bad, won't fuck no groups. This music will keep me sane, when I get mad, I get like stupid, Funny, I thought it was sweet, so I knocked out his brains and left him clueless, Hell nah, I can't go for shit, I'm sorry, I'm just not that guy. That nigga reach my chain, I'ma up my switch, you get burnt just like fries. I gotta watch my back, nigga screaming that gang, I see hating in your ass. Popping this shit, nigga, think you can fuck it for well, then tell it for a nigga come try. I don't know who told you that lie. I'm gonna keep on putting in work till they dress me in my suit and tie.
Bitch, I don't do no tree. One more time. Bitch trying to ask for the money, I told that bitch I don't do no more time. Bitch trying to ask for the money, I bitch trying to ask for the money, I told that bitch one more time. I tried. Whenever I hit my head, I worry about these bitches, I don't know how I'm fucking on dividends. Never I do my, alright, come on. I ain't worried about no nigga bitch, I'm focusing on my dividends. My perk, I go. Bitch, I'm focusing on my dividends. I ain't worried about no bitch, I'm focused on my dividends. Go straight in. Don't even think about it. You ain't been in no episodes. Don't even think about it. Just go pop straight in.
What's up, dude? We finna see the foot going.
No, I bet you be like, I wrote this just like this. I bet you be like, I wrote this just like this. Whoa, I don't like all this.
And I'm up 10. Perk 10, I think it just perk 10, I think it just kicked in. How about many men? perk 10, hopping out of sprinter, man. Feeling over, got him, pill, Ratchet. I'm geeked up out my mind, I'm a perk, I'm geeked up, alright, come on. I'm geeked up out my mind, I'm a perk 10.
No feeling. No. He a good boy, you know. Like when you in between barbers, you need a quick little shot.
Nah, he was mad as hell when he was cutting his hair.
He doing too damn much. Could be long as hell.
We got some papers though, real shit.
But we just told you, man.
Wait. I'm on murder and TV in the cut. We like, hold on. TV in the cut. Who Tim Duncan play with?
Spurs.
Like Shaq and Kobe.
Kawhi Leonard, Ginobili, Tony Parker.
TP and Tim, Tony Parker.
Hey, them the second and the third bar, keep them, and then leave the rest muted. Yeah, you can keep that. Get rid of the one that's before that one. Yeah, keep the yeah. Yup. Yeah, told her to lose that lane. If she wanna win, yeah. Yeah, keep the bar after that one too, yeah. Shoot it out of here. Yeah, come on. Yeah. More these niggas be chicken. I shoot it out of hands. Yeah, one time. Yeah, cause fuck nigga in that coupe. I shoot it out of hands. Yeah. You can take the overlap.
Perk 10, I think it just kicked in. And this bitch I'm buying Julio, think it just kicked in. Yo, the bitch I'm gon' let me fuck soon as I walk in. She gon' throw it back, watch me go crazy off this perk 10. They ain't wanna let me in the door, that bitch getting kicked in. We walk down the round shit up like mommy. Fuck my eyes, these niggas ain't got no money. I feel like 50, I'm hating on my mini man. I remember I was broke, you might see me in a black Benz. Every time they play my song in the club, got your bitch twerking. And you got to know if she with me, then that bitch working. Bitch try to ask for some money, I told that bitch I don't do no tricking. Funny, I keep on this on the hop out, walk down with that semi. I ain't worried about no bitch, I'm focused on my dividends. Whenever I hit my dance, you know that perky kicking in. Perk 10, fuck your bitch, I'm sprinter van. Glock 19 took his ass down for that F&N. Baby said she love me, make back bend. Geeked up out my mind, I'm a perk 10. I put a flash on front of that gun to see I'm lurking. Nigga play with me with a gang, we close his curtains. Baby play with my feelings, let me hurt 10. I put a switch on the back of that, now see it twerking. Yeah, niggas still in the grass, I'm snakes, I'm bitter shin. Yeah, now the meals I took, I know I was gonna win. Yeah, that boy wrote short, all that adrenaline. Alright, man, we just left the studio, man. We back at the crib. We gonna get ready for the show, man. We put that shit on.
Whoa!
I just saw another bowl. I play it all, my teeth is gold. Why don't I still keep a hoe? Talking that game to a really a hoe. And all of the real niggas say he won't beef, but he not a smoker. Southside niggas, we taking over. Walk around with the pack in the stone. Just trying to know some spectacular hoe. The folks is a hoe that I'm smacking you homie. One in the kitchen, I gave you a man and I'm tracking some hoe. You low with the glove, you open the plug in the trunk and it's still got a package in on. Trap. Double it up with the gang who own it. Trap. The bitch on my phone, she own it. And how she act when she own it. She gon' put it for a snack when I walk back. Get an overbreak on packaging on it. Put out the track. Damn, I put it back in the morning. Know my teeth with gold. Why don't go back and I still be a pole? You talking that gang for really a hoe. And all of the real niggas know. Yo. That's cha-cha right there. If y'all fuck with that, let me say hell, yo. Y'all fuck with that, let me say hell, yo. Alright, so this song right here, this for all my hustlers. I'm gonna need your crowd participation on this motherfucker. Y'all know time's fucked up right now. If y'all know what's going on, you feel me? Shit fucked up. Hey, and if you don't grind, you gotta eat. If you don't grind, you don't eat. So I work 25/8 full time. If you work 25/8, if you work full time, let me hear you say hell yeah. Alright, so this one go like this. I'm gonna need y'all help. I'm a full-time hustler. Y'all say it with me. I'm a full-time hustler, full-time grinder, full-time hustler, full-time grinder. I'm a full-time hustler, full-time grinder.
Keep my head on my stomach, can't go for the back door. I don't say how I feel it, I don't say I'm an asshole. The same motherfucker that said I won't be shit, the way I know. I can't stand myself when I look in the mirror, I'm chasing the shadow. I felt born in my heart, the keys to the street, fed low piano. I went to head and back, keep your head in the back, see how high now. If I ain't the same, I would say it's from there, with fuck it back down. Bro, push me in, or I scans it out. Couple movies, or I push packs out. And I went through head and back, keep your head in the rest, motherfucker, where I crash out. I way too high, ass the shots, I'm trying to pass out. Better bad bitch with an ass out. Cause you can't hit the ass fall. I'm sorry still, but I can't fall. Never forget where I came from. I went through hell and back, I gripped my back like I began.
What the fuck going on? Shout out my boys.
disrespect. Get outside of my body, I'm no righteous.
What's going on, man? They walking in motherfuckers.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a man with a plan. Let's go shit for life.
Alright, Casino, I see you up there. Give me a quick song.
Big old trees in the place like man. Yeah. He say what's up when he needs to cap. Wait till the day that I kiss me trap. You don't get hit with a drink, I'm a good boy now. Yeah. Yo, bitch, keep calling. She be blowing up my phone. So I know her time. Bitch, I'm in the trap, bitch, I'm in grandma. Tell my niggas stay patient. And one day don't get my shine on. I don't fuck with niggas. I don't know what type of time you on. Yo, bitch, wanna fuck cause you know I'm a real go-getter. I always got some motion. I got tired of being there rolling. Had to get my own cause I'm not trying to depend on no niggas. I never need no hate, but I just had to play my role, nigga. These in my chain, hell nah, this ain't no more tonight. I see all these niggas on my style, but you ain't doing it right. Reach for this, get burned like dirt, breathe for where I might lose your life. I just made her a reach. Like you on Saturday. Yeah, boy, I'm out this shit, man. I just went to the teacher, my shit don't go. Everything. It's like TV bitches, bitch, I been in grandma. I might fly a nigga, bitch, out to a different time zone. Hell no, I can't trust these niggas, don't know what type of time you on. I just spent 1,000 on some things that came around on. If you don't see in the place like that, what? Yeah, he say what's up, but he needs to be careful. What? Now I can't wait till the day that I kiss my trap. He don't get you in a drink, I'm good with that. Yeah, and yo, bitch, keep calling. She be blowing up my phone. Where's my shit, man? Yeah, fair TrenxhBaby on all platforms, man. Rip that shit, man. Cut off flies, yeah, I got on weight. Cut off flies, yeah, I got on ring on. I don't know why you mad, you know that bitch going. I hop in the booth and I just press the phone. Please don't call my phone, I gotta press the phone. I didn't need my son, they didn't do that copy me. I was just done out there, bitch on top of me. She don't have any racks, I take your bitch on a shopping spree. I just be funny as heck. What? You can't come around me. No way. Keep on showing, oh. Damn hard. Fucking that shit out in his heart. Time to suit up in your bed. Get the shit out right in his mouth.
Tonight, again, artists, if you do leave early, you will be disqualified. You will be disqualified. Give me a quick time, quick.
What you tellin'? I'm tryna fuck on that bitch. I'm tryna fuck on that bitch. I'm tryna fuck on that. I'm tryna fuck on that bitch. I'm tryna fuck on that bitch. I'm tryna fuck on that bitch. I'm tryna fuck on that. I'm tryna fuck on that bitch. I'm tryna fuck on that bitch. She called my phone about some other shit. Don't waste my time, I'm on the grind, I'll make the block list. I'm about the money. chief, I know you lying. You say I'm broke, that bitch, my sling nigga, but ain't trying. Now my bad, nigga thought I was lost, nigga, just had to find it. In my head, nigga thought I was lost, you reminded it. I took a drink and he told me to come, I brought them lines in. All in the field, we do not take a loss, we in the fight in. Since you didn't think about me all day, pull up all night in. You think I'm outside in, but I'm inside in. She put that little first time all around. Till in the chips, taking pics in the gowns. I'm in the trap with TV moving pound. I cannot talk to you right now. She make me to break my guard down. So now I must give it up. Put it hell away, she in my hard time. The bitch like fucking it up, but what? We get down, you want me to suck it up. She was good around, she burning me up. Feeding me like she was feeling me up. I didn't take bitch, I didn't know. I didn't know. Bitch, don't be spread when I get sliding. It's that bitch so quiet, the person ain't get the mind in. Let me in the dark, I know it's hard, see a nigga shining. Tell that bitch I get on hard, I just gotta find it. But they hold you like for the slamming, yo. It's funny, no thing freaking slamming, yo. Regular spice, slamming, yo. Bitch, my heart is slamming, yo. But we're the snake. Get your eyes on mine, you need to do where you play. New lamp, I'm dodging the heat. Too damn to feed your face. And be working hard and I left me in case. Real estate put a bitch in the face, yo. I didn't care right through your chief, I know you lying. Said I broke that rich man, sneaking away, ain't trying. Nigga low to win the training. Since you didn't think about me all day, pull up all night.
TrenxhBaby, CBandz, DAY5. Again, if I called your name, come line up against across the stage. Madly, my fault. I should have been checked, man. It's all about connecting and networking. This is not the BET Awards, it's not the Grammys. You feel me? Because you never know who can blow the next day, alright?
Factual.
Okay, so my first prize is gonna go to my girl Madly. I got a free ring uncut video for you. 2-hour studio session and RX sound. Y'all give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up!
Shout out Matthew.
Give it up, give it up! Okay. Now, the next winner is gonna be a beat pack. Sponsored by my boy Reed. Give it up for Cable! Give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up!
Shout out to him.
Okay, I'm gonna let my DJs pick. Who y'all wanna pick for the DJ service pack? And this DJ service pack will be for like what? 3 weeks? 3 weeks to a month?
Yeah, a whole month, man. You know what I'm saying? Me and my boy Jay said we be in the hottest clubs around Nashville, Linq vibes, you know what I'm saying? We in that motherfucker. So look, who you wanna go with, Jay Sam? Drum roll. For the DJ service package, we gonna go with BRB Glow.
Y'all give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up.
Stop your shit, boy. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Nate, what Nate at? What Nate at? Because he got a prize. Nate, I need you to tell me who you want to pick. The one you gotta pick somebody. Hey, they disqualified. Come up here, pick somebody, and this person is gonna be, what's it called again, Nate?
For the 24 hours.
24 hours. He gonna follow you around. Whether you going to the studio, you got the show, you going to the club, whatever. Go ahead and pick the winner.
A day in the life with the artist.
Which one you wanna pick? I'm gonna pick a winner, man. Come on, bro. We ready to go.
Hold on. God damn it.
I'm giving away the TrenxhBaby! What's up?
Y'all give it up.
Y'all give it up.
I'm gonna say both of them, but I'm gonna say CBandz.
So make sure y'all exchange contacts and get it together. What y'all wanna do? Alright, so the next winners, you guys will be performing at the anniversary show May 23rd. It's gonna be the 8th anniversary. I'm telling y'all, you don't want to miss it. We're gonna have so many special guests. We got a boxer ring in her. Sam, I think we're gonna bring ring girls back in this motherfucker. It's gonna go crazy, man. So those people that's coming with me is gonna be Southside Darius, Eddie Hustle, Tennessee Tank, Mally, 24 the Star Child, RX Santana, CBandz, and Glow. Y'all give it up for them. Give it up, give it up, give it up. So y'all guys will be going to my next series. I'm sorry, the anniversary show. And I think we might do Houston in June or July. I think it's Houston, June or July. So make sure y'all tap in with the Ring Houston. That shit coming up. Okay, so the last prize for the night is gonna be King or Queen of the Ring. Who y'all think? Y'all think it's gonna be a king? Make some noise, you think it's gonna be a king for the night. Damn, nobody? Right there, think it's gonna be for a queen for the night. Again, make some noise, you think it's gonna be a king for the night. Make some noise, you think it's gonna be a queen for the night. It was very tough, like, it was very tough for the night. But I think it's a queen, we think it's a nobody! Anniversary, 8th anniversary, hey, if you ain't doing that, meet us at Linq. We finna shoot a hot ass music video, do the Ratchet, by my niggas.
They got a video shoot.
So my niggas, what's up?
Coochie drive crazy, TC, he a dog for the pussy, man, you're a cat trap. Private bitch, through the club, full of bitch, play with kangaroo, the face, putting on the TV.
Y'all might as well do it, man. I mean, y'all in the vlog and everything. Yo, now you in the vlog. What up, OG? What up? No, you not though. He gonna make it work. You know
Nigga play with me, he thinks it's sweet, he putting cash on. Posted in the trap, got what you need, little bitch, we have it. Nigga speak on tree, I send the blitz, like it's mad. Posted over a tree, you play with me, this shit get real. And this bitch with more, she from Detroit, we in the video. We gon' show you how we live. Shake that ass and throw the back just like a bitch. Do the ratchet, huh? The way I'm hitting it from the back, she call me daddy, huh? Say do the ratchet, huh? Do the ratchet, huh? The way I'm hitting it from the back, she call me daddy, huh? All her together, they say they come as a pack. Grab a girl off the scams, grab a 50 off the trap. She get ratchet off the clap. Bitch, we live for real, let's turn it up and I go grab a hat. Real TrenxhBaby, I'm with TrenxhBaby, who on smoke. I'm still thumbing up, she tryna throw these pills down her throat. ARP got some weight to it, leave a nigga this. Looking for the bad hoes, to the racks, I ain't peeking. Do the ratchet, huh?
she in there, ain't she? She gotta be in there.
Nigga speak on trick, I send the bitches like a man. Posted over a tree, you play with me, this shit get real. And this bitch with more, she from Detroit, we in the video. I sit on 5 and we gon' show you how we live. Take that ass and go and make you laugh. Yeah, do the ratchet, huh? Do the ratchet, huh? The way I'm hitting it from the back, she call me daddy, huh? Say do the ratchet, huh? Do the ratchet, huh? The way I'm hitting it from the back, she call me daddy, huh?